Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow, 3rd June. So the first stock is NAM India. NAM India around this swing has taken resistance. Now again it is trying. So we'll buy above 376 and we'll keep stop loss around 4 points. Then we have Alchem. Today it has given breakout, but the move was not so good. We'll buy above today's high, 3170. Then we have Guj Gas. Guj Gas, you can see, has given a kind of breakout, but it didn't sustain. So now we'll buy this above 581. Then we have Kaltar Power. Kaltar Power will buy above 440. This is 438. We'll buy above 440. So this has given a breakout here and then did some pullback, and now again it may break this. Then we have HG Infra. HG Infra we can buy above 406. Then we have Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto is near ATH and we'll buy above 4360. Wipro is kind of making 2-3 bullish hammer. It may give breakout. So this is 546, 547, but safe side will buy above 550. Then we have cash stock Home First. Home First we have to buy above 580. Then we have Sri Digvijay Cement. So this will buy above 81. This has given breakout here. Then again took support. Will buy above 81. Then we have IRV. IRV has taken support around 100 level and it is moving 100 to 130. So we'll buy above this 134. And today's high, both are same. Then we have Trivedi Turbine. So today it has given good move. We will buy this above 118. And this area is resistance, but in intraday we can buy for 122 to 124. We'll buy above 118. Then we have Signity Tech. Signity Tech we can buy above 460. So it has given a major breakout of this region, but again there is a lot of resistance this side, and ignoring that will take risk above 460. Then we have Heranva. Heranva will buy above today's high 778. And then we have Mayur Uniquoters. Mayur will buy above this line. This is 481. Then we have this Brookfield India. Brookfield India, this we have to buy above 261. These stocks you can keep in radar, like Dixon. This is making rounding bottom and we'll buy above 4320. Stopper Stop 233. This actually we can keep for intraday. Looks good. Dixon OL. Okay, OL we can buy above 840, 845. So we have to watch in this area. This is actually 842. So safe side 850 will be the correct level. So this you keep in radar. And VRL Logistics. This above 270. UTI AMC, if it breaks 780, and Polycab, which is testing our patience, this we can buy above 1701. And what I do is, like today Camcon has given good move from since yesterday. I bought it around 470 So what I do is I just make a watch list and keep all the stocks which can give major breakout like Safari, and I set alerts for that like Consigner, Vector Food, this BVL. My network is this weekend by 1070, and I set alert for those stocks: Asahi India, Oberoi Realty. Okay, and this we have to buy 650 on mobile. MTAR Tech, this can also give good breakout around 1080. Today Ambico has given good move, and Wheels India, this has given breakout pullback 580. So like this I make a watch list, and then I use this Sentinel. Here I set alerts. So Sentinel you can log in using Google also. I think you can try. Basically it comes with Zerodha, but you can try if you can log in without Zerodha. So like today this I got Raj Ratan, yesterday I got Alchem. So the stocks which I am not tracking, those stocks I keep alerts in Sentinel, so that you can try actually whenever you find a see a good pattern and the stock is the current CMP is far, you can set alert and set alert few point like Raj Ratan was 1100 was level and I set alert at 1080. Alphagio 271 but alert was at 265, and Alphagio has given very good move. I almost forget that stock. So here I got alert and like this it touched and 20% sector. So this you can try. If you see a good pattern, you can set alert. You can use anything like Sentinel or TradingView if you have, or you can use Sensible. Thanks everyone.